Today we will understand not only mushroom cultivation, but also we will understand how to generate money and income from it. That's actually the basic thing. If mushroom can give us consistent and high return in our investment and time, then why not? Everybody should be doing this. So how to proceed towards that? That will be our main objective. So let's understand, let's declassify the mushroom business. Okay. So why mushroom farming is so profitable? Why everybody is trying to now learn mushroom cultivation? All of a sudden, there is a sudden enthusiasm all across the globe, and everybody just wants to cultivate and learn and earn from mushroom. There are few amazing facts about mushroom cultivation which you must be aware of. First of all, why it is profitable. Basically, profit depends upon how much investment you put into. And for mushroom, you basically doesn't put any extraordinary or valuable thing. You just grow mushroom from waste, so you just convert waste to a delicious product. So we can say mushroom is something which is so valuable, which grows on waste, like anything, like paddy straw, any organic waste, your vegetable peels, corn cobs, throughout anything which you can find in nature, logs, wood, anything which we just throw away in garbage or we burn, any farmer's residue we can use for mushroom cultivation. So mushroom cultivation is actually nothing but waste to delicacy. First of all, that's why the input cost of the product is very low. Whatever we need for mushroom cultivation is basically quite cheap. It's easily available. Secondly, time period. Time period to grow mushroom is again very small. If we compare it to any other product like paddy growing, or you can say vegetable farming or any other thing, mushroom are one of the fastest growing species. Several species of mushroom can be grown within 7 days, 12 days, like paddy straw mushroom, pink oyster mushroom. These kind of mushroom can grow within 10, 12 days. And several, most of the mushrooms like oyster, etc., can grow within 30 to 40 days. So time period of our harvest is again very low. They grow very fast. They almost grow twice in their size within a day. They produce two, three, four flushings in a row. So that's why the time period is again very low. So this is something which can be grown in a very small interval of time. Then the most important thing, this is a 3D farming. Unlike other agricultural things which we grow, like if we want to grow anything like wheat, maize, paddy, or any vegetable crop, we need land, a lot of land. The more we have land, the more production we can have. But for mushroom, we just don't need so much of land. Why? Because this is 3D farming. Here we are using whole volume. Suppose this is a house, this is our farm. Here we are not only using the floor, we are using our ropes. We can hang our mushroom fruiting bags here, and we are using every area, every inch of a volume of an area. So we can use per square meter or per square space in the most profitable way. So unlike other farming, mushroom farming doesn't takes a lot of time, neither it takes a lot of space. And in per unit space we can start a lot of production. So we, that's why we always say that mushroom can be grown anywhere. You can grow them in your kitchen, in your bedroom, in your balcony, in your terrace. Or if you have your mushroom farm, you can just, you, or any agriculture farm, you can just make and build a small hut or small room, and there you can start growing your mushroom. And literally that will be profitable because there is a wide variety of mushrooms available. We will discuss them in further. There are gourmet mushroom, there are medicinal mushrooms. So a lot of varieties are available, and throughout the season we can grow them. There are mushrooms which grow in winter, there are mushrooms which grow in summer, and throughout the autumn there's varieties of mushroom. And they also come in various shapes, size, taste. That's why they have such a versatile crop. Then that's the reason they are very much profitable. And the nutritional aspect is again something which gives values to mushroom. That's why mushroom sells in market for a very good margin. You can find other vegetables like potato, brinjal. They might be selling it around 5 kilo, 10 rupees per kilogram. But mushrooms are unlike anything. They grow fast. They doesn't take. They grow on only waste product, but still they command a very high value. And one main factor for them is their exceptional nutritional values. They're full of protein, vitamin, riboflavin. A lot of medicinal properties are there in mushroom, like vitamin D, etc. That's the reason mushrooms are very high in demand. They command very good values in terms of nutritionals. That's why they are so costly. Last but not the least, demand and supply. Why mushroom is profitable? A big factor is again the demand and supply. Mushrooms demand is consistently rising day by day, but supply is incomparably very small. Most of the farmers are yet to adapt and know, they don't have the expertise and technology how to grow mushrooms. And actually the demand of the population, as they are now, not the conscious population, are not only demanding food, they want nutritional food. And mushrooms are superfood, and it's not easily available everywhere. That's the reason the product is very rare, hence the demand is high but supply is low. That's another reason that mushrooms are costly. So this is a good thing. This is an opportunity for young entrepreneurs, new entrepreneurs, or people who want to diversify their portfolio in earning. And again, you several people have already quit their job and started mushroom cultivation and earning lakhs, and a big profit margin is there. And this is an opportunity because the supply is constrained and demand is large. Why not fulfill that vacancy? So we can see, even if you set up a small tent in your house, you can grow several varieties of mushroom. You can see this is Ganoderma, this is lion's mane, the pink mushroom, golden mushroom, sajekaju, maitake. A lot of mushroom can be grown together also. So they are multi varieties of mushroom can be grown in a very small area. So these are few only among few things which are making mushroom business and mushroom cultivation very profitable.